In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CC and BCC in Microsoft Outlook. We're focusing on the address fields that control who receives your email and how those recipients see one another. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use CC and BCC and how to make each one work for you. Start by opening a new message. Click New Email. This opens the Compose window where you'll set your recipients. Front and center, you'll see the To field, and just beneath or beside it, the CC field. These two are visible by default in Outlook. Use the To field for your main recipient or recipients. These are the people you expect to take action, respond, or own the next step. Everyone listed in To can see one another's addresses. The CC field, short for carbon copy, is for people who need to be informed but aren't responsible for acting. Think of this as visibility only. Everyone in CC is also visible to all other recipients, so use it when transparency is useful and appropriate. If you don't see the BCC field, don't worry. In the message window, click the Options tab, then click BCC to reveal it. Once you turn it on, Outlook typically keeps it available in future messages, so you won't need to do this every time. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it allows you to include recipients without showing their addresses to anyone else on the thread. The people in BCC will receive the message, but other recipients won't know they were included. Now, enter email addresses where they belong. To for the main recipient or decision